Hi everyone, welcome to trigonometry. Today we explore lesson 17, the dot product and angle between two vectors. Number one, the dot product and its property. Definition, the dot product two vectors, V1 is A1, B1 and V2 is A2, B2 is V1 dot V2. And it is the sum of A1, A2, and B1, B2. The dot product is a constant. This is a real number. Let's take a look at an example. Let V1 equal to 1, 2, V2 equal 2, 3, 5, V1 dot V2, V2 dot V1, and V1 dot V1. So V1 dot V2 is just a 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3, which is 2 plus 6, 8. V2 dot V1 is 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2. It's also 8. V1 dot V1 is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Well, if you look at it, it does look like it's the square root of 1 square plus 2 square, and then just square this square root. So that is exactly the magnitude of V1 square. Wow, pretty cool, huh? And in this case, 1 plus 4 is 5. From this example, we have a few properties of a dot product. The first property is V1 dot V2 is the same as V2 dot V1. It's the commutative. V1 dot V2 plus V3, this is equal to V1 dot V2 plus V1 dot V3 is distributed. A constant C times V1 dot V2 is the same as C multiplied to the dot product of V1 and V2. The last property is a vector V dot itself is the magnitude of V square. Here comes an example based on the property. Example is the operation A dot B plus C valid. If you think about it, A dot B is a real number. C is a vector. It can have n component. Unfortunately, they're not the same, so it is not valid. a number cannot be added to a vector. Two angle between two vectors. Let's say we have the vector A, and here comes the vector B. Then ZB, there's an angle theta between them. Well, in order to figure out the angle between two vectors, we got to make a triangle. So here come this vector. It doesn't matter if you take it in the direction up or down. So I'm going to take it this direction. And this is exactly the vector of A minus B, because you can extend the vector B. And if you go this way, that's going to be minus B. So look at the parallelogram that is formed. So I mean, this vector right here is the same as this one, which is A plus minus B. So this the vector A minus B. Now, because we have a triangle, we can use the law of cosine. Which say that the magnitude of A minus B square is equal to magnitude of A square plus the magnitude of B square minus 2 times magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cosine of the angle theta. Magnitude of A minus B square is from the property of dot product. A minus B dot A minus B. I'm going to work out the left side. We can distribute. We have A dot A minus 2A dot B plus B dot B. A dot A is magnitude of A square minus 2 A dot B and plus magnitude of B square. So this would equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus 2 times magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cosine of the angle theta. From here we see that, oh, magnitude is just a real number. So we can get rid of the magnitude of A square and magnitude of B square. What we have here is minus 2 A dot B equal minus 2 magnitude of A times magnitude of B, cosine of the angle theta. From here you see that the cosine of the angle theta is, you can divide both sides by -2 magnitude of A times magnitude of B and simplify the -2 to get A dot B over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Or you can see that A dot B is the same as magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cosine of the angle theta. Pretty cool. Here comes an example. find the angle between two vectors. Vector A is 1, -2, and vector B is 2, 1. Well, plug it into the formula. We have a cosine of the angle theta is A dot B over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So that would be a 1 times 2 plus -2 times 1 over root of 1 square plus -2 square, root of 2 square plus 1 square. That 0 over root 5 times root 5, which is 0. From here, theta is cosine pi over 2 is 0, so it's pi over 2. Oh, let's sketch them up to see. Here come the vector 2, 1. Vector 1 and -2. Oh, what do we see here? If you look closely, then these two vectors form a right angle. That is why the angle between them is pi over 2 or 90 degrees. And we call these two vectors orthogonal. A and B are orthogonal if the angle between them is pi over 2 or the dot product is 0. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the content useful. Please like, subscribe, help the channel grow. I will see you in the next video.